who's coming? Manthan is coming. Manthan is joining right now. Yesterday, we did angle sum property of a triangle. Yesterday, we did angle sum property of a triangle. Kashmi, can you read the property for everybody? Is Kashmi able to hear me? Kashmi? Kashmi Kumar, are you able to hear me? Achha, all
Her audio is off.
My audio is not working.
No, ma'am, her audio is off. Ma'am, your audio is working perfectly.
Ma'am, I think there is a network issue at the place. Please pause.
Manas, you read angle sum property for everybody.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree whether the angle is of any type. This is called the angle sum property of a triangle.
Very good. Jagnoor, can you also speak out, repeat the same? Jagnoor. Jagnoor, others are waiting for you, beta.
Yes, ma'am. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle.
This is exterior angle
Ma'am,
property.
exterior angle property.
This is exterior angle property. This also we did before this. Right now, I was talking about angle sum property. Tableen, can you read angle sum property?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got disconnected for a while. What did you ask?
I asked, I am just revising yesterday's property. Okay. Tableen, repeat the property, beta.
Yes, ma'am. The angle sum property of a triangle, the total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The three angle in any triangle always add up to make a total of 180 degree.
Very good. So this is what we did yesterday, that the sum of three angles is going to be always and always 180. Right now, I am just showing you one video. It will help you to understand the same thing again better. Then we will start with the questions we were left yesterday. Okay? We left few questions were left out for the application that we will share. Can you all see the video on your screens? Some video on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see.
Hello friends, for any triangle, generally we are taking angle sum property as a 180. That means if I am taking any triangle and adding the angles A, B and C, then it will sum up to 180. If we thinking this practically, that means if I am separating this angle A, angle B and angle C and combine them, then it should create a straight line because the sum of angles is 180. So let's start separating these angles. Cutting off all these three angles of triangle A, B and C. So if I combine these three angles, then it should create a straight line because angle sum property is 180. So I am putting this angle A, then angle B and angle C. Yes, over here it's creating a straight line. You can see over here that if I am combining these three angles, then it's creating a, by this scale you can see it's a straight line. So this is a very simple logic for angle sum property of triangle is 180. That's all.
Yes, children. This is what activity also we are going to do, or I told you that you are going to do a, see what I was thinking, I will share these links with you. I'll share these links with you. I'll share these links with you and you will be able to do on your own. Will you be able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very easy. You just take a triangle, color the three angles. If you color it, they come out well. You are able to recognize the difference. A, B, or C, if you color them properly, and you just draw a straight line, choose a point O on it, and paste all the three angles on the straight line. What is a measure of straight line? What is the angle measure of straight line?
180.
Oh, if you are getting straight line when you joining these three angles, it means the sum of three angles is 180. Now, can we continue with the question we left yesterday? Where we were yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this was the last question I think we did. Just check it out.
Yes, ma'am. This is the last one we did.
This was the last one we did. In case you left out, maybe because of the time, you can again I'm just recapitulating, revising. Here, some of you told me that we will use linear pair first, then we will angle sum property. Or I told you we will apply first exterior angle property, then we will use angle sum property, and we can complete this.
Papa?
Look at this. We got x as 120 minus 50 degrees. So x plus 1, and afterwards we will apply angle sum property. Once we get the value of x, we will apply angle sum property, and that way we are able to get y, the value of y. The value of y will come out 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. And so yesterday also, Rachit, I think Manas also, many children told that we can also find out
linear pair.
Yes, bilinear pair. Nikunj, you have joined just now, beta. Nikunj, you have joined late. Every day you are joining late. Who is Jitendra Kumar in our class? Do we have any?
No, ma'am.
So we will not allow. Jitendra Kumar.
Jitendra.
Maybe somebody is entering with his father or mother's ID, but I am not allowing.
Yes,
They know it very well. You people know it very well. You have to enter with your name. Then second, one more part. There are 6 parts in question number 2. This one. Who can try? Can anybody? Is anybody?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
can try.
try?
Wait. One by one. Manas karo pehle try.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Only.
Ma'am, पहले तो मैम
हाँ बताओ.
मैम x की जो वैल्यू है वो तो मैम 60 plus 50 होगी मैम एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी से.
बस. Now he is saying x can be found by using exterior angle property by adding.
Ma'am, one more method also.
मैम y को भी कर सकते हैं हम पहले. Angle.
One by one. Himnish, follow with the Himnish will raise the hand.
मैम पहले हम y की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं 50 plus 60 करके, और फिर उसको 180 से माइनस करके y की वैल्यू निकल जाएगी, और फिर जैसे मानस ने बोला कि x की वैल्यू 50 plus 60.
Okay, he has told that we will apply. So one of the child has told we will apply exterior angle property, and another property can be angle sum property. हमने यही दोनों properties अभी तक learn की है, इसलिए दोनों properties हम apply कर सकते हैं. Rachit, you have another alternative?
Yes, मैम ये इसी तरीके से होगी जिससे अभी हिमनिश ने बोला, मैं ही बोलना चाहता था.
Okay. Can I suggest one more method? We can apply angle sum property to find y. Then afterwards we can also apply linear pair. But right now, as the chapter is based on angle properties of triangles, we will be applying properties of triangles. Anish, any query? Anish?
Ma'am, so we can write our own answer now.
Wait. Kashvi, any query? You raised the hand.
No, ma'am, I wanted to give the answer.
Are you all now clear with the answer? Can you repeat? Like everybody, others will listen then. Please repeat.
Ma'am, first we can x will be found when we add 50 plus 60 exterior angle property, then angle sum property 50 plus 60, then 180 minus 50 plus 60 would be y.
Okay, very good, very good. Let's see how I have done.
हम y को फाइंड करने के लिए हमें 50 और 60 को प्लस करना है ना.
We have to apply, right? I'm doing y plus 50 plus 60 is 180, and the reason is very important, angle sum property of a triangle, and we get the value of y as 180 minus 110. This writing is also, children, very important, how you express, how you give your answer. This is really very important. I have applied linear pair, you can also apply exterior angle property. Both are correct. Both are correct, but property name should be mentioned properly, like I have mentioned in the bracket. जैसे मैंने bracket में mention किया है, you also need to mention those properties in the paper. Please note down in case you've not written. Student, please complete classwork in class only, so that you save time. You can practice extra questions at home. Don't keep on dragging कि बाद में कर लेंगे. Don't do like this. You can practice extra questions afterwards from your book, and I'm going to give you those questions. Make your mark those questions which you're going to do at home. I'm not doing all the parts. I'm doing alternate parts, but we will discuss the alternate parts, remaining parts.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody has noted down. Nikunj, what happens, beta? Baba disconnect क्यों हो जाते हो? Nikunj,
Ma'am, for a minute.
Nikunj, Baba disconnect क्यों हो जाते हो? Nikunj, are you there? Is he here, beta? Yes, he is there. Baba disconnect कैसे हो जाते हो आप?
Network issue.
Okay, did you mark attendance?
Ma'am, no.
Then you have told me to send the link again. You did not. Please mark attendance. Mark attendance.
I'm done.
I want Chirag, have you done? Safira, were you able to write? Safira, आप लिख पाई हैं? Safira, please reply. School also, you were not replying. Why? Please be confident and reply. Raisa, were you able to do?
Yes,
Raisa,
ma'am. Yes,
Rishank, were you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we proceed to the next one?
Ma'am,
I'm just waiting that everybody has done. Okay, one more part, one more example we'll see. Look here. Look here.
Ma'am, please
Very
can you
easy.
put the last slide once again?
Yes, I will. Yes. Hurry up, children. साफिरा, आप लिख पाई हैं? आप बताएंगी मुझे? She's not responding. Is she there in the class? Safira, please reply. Rishank ने लिख लिया? Rishank, have you written?
हम अक्षत कैमरा के साथ खेल रहे हैं.
Rishank, have you written? Aryan, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ronit
Yes,
Das.
ma'am.
Ronit Das,
Yes, ma'am.
have you noted down this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can we go for the next example? Manthan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Manthan.
Yes, ma'am. I
हाँ
want
जी,
to
बोलो
say
बेटा।
something.
बोलो बच्चा।
मैम एक्चुअली मैम मेरा मैथ का रजिस्टर खत्म हो गया और कल ना वो स्टेशनरी बंद थी क्योंकि कल फ्राइडे था तो मेरे पास रजिस्टर नहीं है और मैं भी स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा हूँ। तो मैम क्या आज मैं आपको कल भेज दूँ मैं आज का किया हुआ काम?
ठीक है बेटा, अदरवाइज प्लीज कीप सम रजिस्टर्स एंड कॉपीज एक्स्ट्रा विद यू। लॉकडाउन चल रहा है बेटा, यू डोंट नो वेदर यू विल बी एबल टू गो मार्केट वेरी ऑफन, सो वेरी सून, सो प्लीज गेट, अगली बार से ध्यान रखेंगे, ठीक है?
मैम स्कूल से जो मिली है मैं उसी में कर रहा हूँ।
मैम आज की नोटबुक मिली है हमें।
Today तो we should celebrate. Riya is joining. Riya, I don't think she's joined a single class before this.
Riya is joining.
Let me.
Ma'am, it's a wonder.
It's a wonder.
First class.
First class.
Online class of Riya.
Let's see. Let me just see here. See her. Riya.
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you not joining the classes earlier?
Ma'am, I was sick.
You were sick.
We don't have Wi-Fi at home, so that was hard.
Okay. How will you complete all your work, beta?
Ma'am, I have some books at home, so I'm studying that.
Very good. So, I'm just sharing a chat. In the chat, I am sharing a link. उसको click करो और mark your attendance. You have come otherwise very late, but still mark your attendance. Your parents have got the message that you have to give the application in writing for yesterday's. You missed your yesterday's exam.
Yes.
Okay, they have to send the application to me. I'll forward it to principal ma'am. Now, children, I am doing the next. Can I move to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Look at this one. Please raise your hand. Then I will give chance to everybody to answer. Ashvi, you know the answer. Can you try?
Isosceles triangle.
No.
Ma'am, I also
Isosceles
want
it
to
is.
try, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, can I?
Ashvi is not knowing. Ashvi नहीं आता बच्चा. कोई बात नहीं. Okay.
Ma'am, can I try Himnish? Ma'am, can I try?
Himnish
Ma'am, my hand is not raising.
हाँ.
मैम वो 90 डिग्री है मैम। फिर मैम हम लीनियर पेयर की लगा सकते हैं मैम। दोनों जो नीचे की साइड है मैम दोनों एक्स है तो मतलब दोनों की सेम वैल्यू होगी। तो 45 डिग्री ऐसा एंगल है मतलब दोनों जो अपने आप से ही प्लस करेगा तो 90 डिग्री आ जाएगा।
No, not this.
मैम जो y की वैल्यू है वो 90 डिग्री होनी चाहिए क्योंकि उसके ऊपर भी लीनियर पेयर के हिसाब से वो y
linear pair है. Is that linear pair? Why are you getting confused between linear pair and do you remember vertically opposite angles?
Sorry ma'am. Vertically.
Ma'am, I was trying to say this only.
Y is 90 degree.
Yes, y is 90 degree because y and 90 are vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am, x is 45 degree, ma'am, because of the angle formed.
Afterwards, first y is to be found, otherwise we can't do. Somebody, yes, Himnish, you want to say something again? Yes.
No.
Anybody else has any other option? Manas, बोलो.
मैम मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैम जैसे जब हम फिर y को हम करेंगे जैसे हमारी जब वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट से जब हमारी y की वैल्यू निकल गई तो मैम उसके बाद फिर हम 180 माइनस जब y करेंगे मैम जो यानी कि 90 डिग्री 180 माइनस 90 डिग्री तो 90 डिग्री की ही एक वैल्यू निकलेगी और वो x और x दोनों पे अप्लाई कर देगी.
Okay, very good. Let's see how do we have to write it. The writing is also important. Look here.
वो कुछ ब्लैक दिखाई दे रहा है
बेटा. ब्लैक तो आपका you have raised the hand वही नजर आता है ऊपर से. आपको ऐसा ब्लैक लगता है वो आपने रेस किया होता ना हैंड. काश्मीर put your hand down बच्चा. हाँ जी. Y will be 90 vertically opposite angle. Then we will apply angle sum property. By adding x and y. We get 180. So we are able to get the value of x as 45. Value of x will be 45. Wait. Value of x is going to be 45 by dividing 90 with 2. By dividing 90 with 2 by 2, I get 45 as x and y is 90. I have highlighted the values which were to be found. आप भी copy में अपने उसको answer जब whenever you give exam in the paper also whatever is being asked, last में please highlight either with a color or with a pencil or with a pen. Highlight whatever is asked. Am I clear, children? Children, please reply.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Please note down properly. Do not miss out any steps.
मैम ये जो 2 x is equals to 90 degree है उसके नीचे कोई और स्टेटमेंट भी है?
यही है लास्ट बेटा. Otherwise you can also do 90 upon 2. You can show 90 upon 2. You can show 90 upon 2. Okay.
I'm done.
Let everybody finish. Let everybody finish.
I'm done.
Okay. So we got x as 45 and y as 90. Now, there are 3 more parts which I'm going to discuss, but you will do on your own. We are going to discuss these 3 parts, but you will be doing on your own. Now, raise your hand or speak your name first and then Kashvi. Bolo bacha. Kashvi, raise the hand first.
मैम y की वैल्यू होगी 80 vertically opposite angles, then 50 plus 80, 180 minus 50 plus 80 would be the value of x, angle sum property.
Wonderful. We must clap for her. Very good. Somebody else can try. Somebody else speak your name and then start telling me. I have hidden the video panel. So I have hidden the video panel. हाँ सिफत बोलो.
Ma'am, we can find y with the because 80 is vertically opposite angle, so angle y would be 80. Ma'am, then we will use the angle sum property of the triangle. We will plus all the sides 50 plus y, 50 plus 80 plus x.
Very good, wonderful. Same Sifat has repeated, but she repeated in different way, but both are correct. Kashvi and Sifat both gave correct answer. Anybody else has any query in this part? Speak your name and tell. Children, bolo bache. Anybody has any query?
No.
Will you be able to do this? This is your homework.
Yes, mommy.
I'm discussing so that you all don't face any problem while doing. Yes. Chirag, have you understood? Chirag, yes, have you understood? Raisa.
Yes.
Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand what Kashvi and Sifat told?
Yes.
Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am discussing the one more part. Look at this part. Can we try out? Sarthak, can you try?
Me, Rachit.
Wait. Sarthak, just let me video of the class. Manas, no, Manthan can try first.
Yes, ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, first of all, x and 60 degree linear, vertically opposite angle, 60 degree, and to y, And to find, please ma'am, 1 minute. I have
Ma'am,
some
y is 90 degree.
Ma'am, can I speak? Ma'am, can I speak, ma'am?
So ma'am, y will be 90 degree.
Okay, very good. I think there's some network
Can I,
problem. He's trying and he's giving the right answer. हाँ रचित
Ma'am,
बोलो.
Rachit.
रचित बोलो.
मैम इसके अंदर जो x है मैम वो तो उसकी तो 60 आ जाएगी वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट से, और मैम जो y है वो तो 90 डिग्री है क्योंकि वहाँ बना हुआ है. तो
बनावा नहीं करेंगे, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाएंगे, बनावा नहीं करेंगे. We'll apply angle sum property.
Yes, ma'am, we will, but ma'am, it's already there.
Yes. They have shown it because it was going to be for, otherwise in case it was not shown, whether it is given or not like this, but you have to apply angle sum property. On this part also, first vertically opposite, then angle sum property. Same. That's why I have given in homework for your practice. Again, vertically opposite.
Can I speak?
हाँ बोलो मानस.
मैम इसको करने के दो तरीके हैं मैम. पहले तो अगर हम 60 को वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट की प्रॉपर्टी से हम x की वैल्यू निकाल ले तो मैम उसकी 60 वैल्यू आएगी. और मैम अगर हम फिर उसके बाद एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगा के जो है 30 प्लस x प्लस y को 180 कर दे, और मतलब कि x की वैल्यू तो 60 निकली हुई है ना मैम, तो फिर उसके अंदर 180 से उसको माइनस कर दे तो मैम फिर y की वैल्यू निकलेगी.
यही सेम चीज मैम ने बताई है, यही सेम थिंग. सेम
मैम और दूसरा तरीका ये है कि आप बस y को पहले से 90 लिख दो और वहां पे साइड में
पहले से 90 नहीं लिखेंगे. दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे. You will do the first method like Manthan told, you told, Rachit told, both, all the three, Kashmi told, everybody has done, told the correct answer, correct way. Okay. Next one. Do we have another problem? Yes, we have one more part. Let me check. Yes.
Please remove the video panel.
Video panel deliberately, because I can't see the raising hands raised. I can't see the hands raised otherwise. Who has raised the hand? Okay, I am not able to see who has raised the hand. Who has raised the hand? Sifat. Yes, try करो बच्चा. Try करो.
मैम जी मेरे को लास्ट वाला नहीं आ रहा समझ.
हमने लास्ट के लिए तो पूछा है आपसे. ट्राई करो. रचित ट्राई करो.
मैम ये एक तो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है.
आओ.
तो फिर जो इसके अंदर की मतलब जो y की वैल्यू आएगी वही x की होगी, और फिर जो सारे मतलब सब की सेम ही वैल्यू होगी.
ओके. व्हाट हम एक्चुअली में क्या करते हैं क्वेश्चंस में, हम यहाँ पे एक एंगल है ना ये वाला
60 होगी सबकी वैल्यू.
ओके. यस, that everybody knows, but we have to write also ना properly. But I am telling, please listen to me carefully.
वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट है और मैम वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट है और वो भी है, एंगल सम नहीं है इसके अंदर.
This is what I am saying. Look here. We will assume inside of this angle. ये वाला assume करो और ये assume करेंगे. ठीक है. इसको 1 मार्क करते हैं, इसको 2 मार्क करते हैं. और x and y are equal. X and y are equal. Okay. X and y are equal. So we can write, and here also they are going to be x. This is also going to be x. Vertically opposite. This is also going to be x, and this is also going to be x. So x plus, and this is also x, y is equal to x. So all the three x's we are going to add and make it 180. X plus x is 180.
180 divided by 3 is equal to 60.
The answer will be 60 degrees.
Yes, the answer
how
will be.
would it be 180?
Huh?
Ma'am,
X
how would
will be.
3x be?
I'll tell you. I'll solve in front of you. Don't worry. I'll solve. Wait. Let me just do it for you. I'll solve like in front of you. Like this was a figure. This was a figure. I was telling you that we will assume this angle to be T. I'll use one symbol of angle. You have to mark this angle. Take care. Who is sneezing? Please take care of your health, बच्चा. आप लोग खांसी कर रहे हैं. This angle to be marked as T x. This will be x. One inside angle. We will write like this. Y is equal to x first. First we will write y is equal to x. and the reason is vertically opposite angle. This is the reason. This is the reason. I'll make it big.
वो क्या है यहाँ?
Who is this? This is vertically opposite angle. Then all two inside angles, two other interior angles will also be X. Reason is same, vertically opposite angle. Okay. This angle and this angle will also be X. Now we have found all. Now we have found all interior angles. We have found all interior angles. So can we say X plus X plus X? You write small x here, bacha. Is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Once we have found this, we can write 3x is equal to 180 and x will be 180 divided by 3. So we can get x as 60. Therefore, we can say x is 60.
And y is also 60.
Y was already, we have shown 60. Above y is same as x. Y is also 60 degrees. I found little difficult for you, so I have solved for you. Little difficult for you, so I have solved for you. Please note down now.
Ma'am, it was easy. Ma'am, वो easy था, पर वो लग difficult रहा था क्योंकि इसके अंदर कोई value नहीं थी.
आपको लिखना नहीं आ रहा था ना, इसलिए that's why I wrote. आप लोग को लिखना नहीं आ रहा था ना, इसलिए मैंने लिख दिया आपके लिए. करो बच्चा. Note down. So your homework is only 2 parts then. I'll share the PPTs. PPT 1, PPT 2, PPT 3. There are 3 PPTs I have shown till now in this chapter. I'll share all the 3. And video links also I'll share separately. Video links also I will share separately.
Okay, ma'am.
So do it little faster. The meeting is about to finish. Meeting is about to finish. Meeting is about to finish. Do it little faster. Children, till now, any query in this chapter?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Very good. So in the next class, we will recapitulate the properties because recapitulating is very important here. तो जो property करते जा रहे हैं उसको दोबारा से revise करते जाएंगे and you will be able to understand the things better. Because अब ऐसा होने वाला next exercise में previous properties will be used. Like today we have used linear pair also, we have used vertically opposite also. Whatever we have learned in the previous exercises, previous chapter also, we are going to apply in the new chapter, new questions. Okay, children? Am I clear, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to be very careful. You need to recapitulate from time to time. Next time we will. Hanji, bacha.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of VOA written in the bracket?
Vertically opposite angle. We can also write like this. Vertically opposite angles. These children, these reasons are very important. I am changing the color so it makes you, you keep in your mind that these reasons are very important. You will lose your marks otherwise. In paper also, these reasons are very important to be mentioned. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta, I'm just stop sharing. Anybody has any query till now?
No,
ma'am.
Did you all enjoy today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye. Take care.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am. Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bacha. Goodbye.